Creating a page in SharePoint is a great way to communicate ideas or information to your team. From your site, select New, Page. Choose a template, then select Create Page. To start, select the title to edit the text. To change the page's main image, select Change Image. Navigate to the image, select it, then change the focal point of the image. To add a new section to your page, select the plus sign and choose your preferred layout. Each section you add can have its own layout. Next, select the plus sign within the newly created section and choose a web part. A web part is the building block for your page. There are many types of web parts, allowing you to add different kinds of content like text, images, files, videos, or even more dynamic content like Microsoft Forms or Power BI reports. After you insert a web part, edit and customize it to exactly what you want. To delete a web part, select it, then choose the Delete Web Part button. Also do this to delete a section. When you're done, select Save as Draft if you are not yet ready to publish it. Or, if you're ready for your page to go live, select Publish. Once your page is published, you can promote it to help others find the page. For example, add the page to your site's navigation, post it in news, email it, or if you want to reuse the page layout and content to create another page, save it as a page template.